Welcome to Healthy Journey. Have you ever wondered why curry is such a beloved spice blend in cuisines around the world? Well, it's not just about the tantalizing tastes and aromas. Today, we're on a mission to unlock the secrets of curry, exploring its incredible health benefits and versatile uses. From being an anti-inflammatory powerhouse to a versatile culinary companion, we've got 7 compelling reasons why curry deserves a starring role in your kitchen. So, get ready to spice up your life. Let's kick things off with benefit number 1. Curry contains spices like turmeric, ginger, and garlic, which pack a punch when it comes to fighting inflammation in the body. These ingredients, each a star in its own right, unite to form a potent anti-inflammatory powerhouse. This curry blend is not just a symphony of flavors, but it's also a boon for those suffering from conditions like arthritis, as it aids in reducing inflammation and promoting joint health. Now, let's spice things up a bit more, shall we? Moving on to the next benefit. Ever heard of curcumin? It's the active compound in turmeric and a potent antioxidant. This means it helps neutralize harmful free radicals in the body, those pesky molecules that can cause cell damage and contribute to chronic diseases. By including curry in your regular diet, you're giving your body an antioxidant boost. This can help combat oxidative stress and reduce the risk of conditions like heart disease, cancer, and diabetes. Quite impressive, right? Now, let's talk about digestion. Feeling bloated or experiencing indigestion? Curry spices like ginger and cumin have been used for centuries to aid digestion. These spices not only add a burst of flavor to your meals, but also encourage a healthy digestive system. Ginger is known for its ability to soothe an upset stomach, while cumin can stimulate digestive enzymes to help break down food more effectively. So, incorporating curry into your meals can help soothe your stomach and promote better digestion. Speaking of health, let's look at how curry can benefit your heart. Curry isn't just delicious, it's heart-healthy too. Ingredients in curry like garlic and chili peppers are known for their cardiovascular benefits. Garlic has the ability to lower cholesterol levels, while chili peppers can improve blood circulation. Together they form a potent heart-protecting duo. Regularly consuming curry could help reduce the risk of heart disease, making it a tasty and health-conscious choice. Next up, let's explore how curry can boost your brain. Did you know that curry could be good for your brain? The golden spice turmeric found in curry is rich in curcumin, a compound that's been studied for its potential neuroprotective properties. By reducing inflammation and oxidative stress in the brain, curry could play a vital role in supporting cognitive function. It may also help protect against age-related decline, a spice blend that's delicious and brain-friendly. Now that's a culinary gem. Now let's look at how curry can help manage your weight. Looking to shed a few pounds? Curry spices like chili peppers can rev up your metabolism and increase fat oxidation. These fiery ingredients can help your body burn fat more efficiently, while the fiber-rich nature of many curry dishes can add to feelings of fullness. It's a delicious way to support a balanced diet and maintain a healthy weight. Plus, curry's intense flavors can satisfy your palate, reducing cravings for less healthy, high-calorie foods. Finally, let's not forget about the versatility of curry. Last but not least, let's talk about the versatility of curry. This vibrant spice blend isn't just for traditional dishes. Think creamy soups, spicy marinades, even a sprinkle over roasted vegetables. Imagine the burst of flavor in a curry-infused stir-fry, or the depth it adds to a wholesome lentil soup. The possibilities are as endless as they are delicious. And there you have it, folks. 7 compelling reasons to embrace the magic of curry in your cooking. Whether you're seeking to boost your health or tantalize your taste buds, curry is sure to spice up your life in more ways than one. From its potent anti-inflammatory properties to its potential for supporting heart health, brain function, and weight management, curry proves to be more than just a flavorful addition to your dishes. And let's not forget its versatility in the kitchen, where its vibrant character can transform any meal. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious content. Until next time, stay healthy and happy in your life journey.